Are you shocked to hear that psychological safety beats physical safety at work? Stick around, it's true. Psychological safety is all about making sure everyone feels comfortable to speak up without fear of embarrassment or punishment. Imagine this. You're in a meeting and you have a brilliant idea, but you're too scared to share it because, well, what if it's shot down? That's where psychological safety comes in. When teams feel safe to express themselves, creativity flourishes and innovation takes off. Research even shows that companies with high psychological safety outperform those without. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. So how can you foster this? Simple: encourage open dialogue, celebrate diverse opinions, and remember, no idea is too wild. Creating a psychologically safe environment isn't just a nice to have. It's essential for a thriving, productive workplace. So next time you're thinking about safety at work, remember, it's all about mind over matter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making your workplace awesome.